In today's video, I will show you how you can disable Lovable Cloud and use an alternative like Supabase. Before we get started, if you don't have a Lovable account yet, you can use the first link in the description to create a brand new account, and this will give you 25 credits completely for free. Now, in order to disable Lovable Cloud, click here on Connectors. Here, you can see that by default, we are set to All. Click here on Enabled, and it will show you all the connectors that are currently enabled. You can see that Lovable Cloud is enabled by default. In order to disable it, click on it. You can see some permissions over here. By default, Lovable Cloud is set to Always Allow, which means Lovable will always use its default cloud to store all of his projects. Now, since we want to disable it, what you can do is click here on Never Allow. This means Lovable will not use Lovable Cloud to store its projects. Now that we have disabled Lovable Cloud, we need to set an alternative where our projects will be stored. To do that, simply close this, go back to Connectors, and here you will find a list of all the available connectors. Let's say you want to use Supabase to store your projects. What you can do is search for Supabase over here. You can see Supabase is disabled by default. Click on it, and we have the option to enable it over here. Click on it. You can see it says Connected and Enabled successfully. This is because I have already created an account with Supabase and logged in. As a result, Lovable was able to find my Supabase account. If you haven't created a Supabase account before, you might need to perform some additional steps, such as granting the required permissions. So this was how you can disable Lovable Cloud and use an alternative like Supabase. As I said at the beginning of the video, you can use the first link in the description to create a brand new Lovable account, and this will give you 25 credits completely free. And if you want to know how you can get a discount on Lovable's pricing plans, then you can check out this video appearing on your screen right now.